everyone, my name is Sarah James and I am from JessieJamesBeads.com presenting to you a super fast and easy earring project featuring Jessie James Beads cage crystal beads. Now to turn these beads into earrings. We are going to be making some dangler earrings using 2 of these small size cage crystals. I've got 2 jump rings to attach said crystal to these gorgeous jumbo size kidney ear wires from Beadalon. So super simple techniques: opening, closing jump rings, attaching it to the bead, and then stringing it onto the earring wire. So now, very important when you're opening and closing a jump ring is that you open it from top to bottom and not side to side. This is what's going to maintain the integrity of the shape of the jump ring. So top to bottom, opening that jump ring towards me, stringing my cage bead on, and then once again closing the jump ring top to bottom to return it to its starting position. Voila! Then we'll take this jump ring with cage crystal, open up the ear wire, and simply slide that jump ring with the bead onto the ear wire. Oh my gosh, we're almost done. Next, you want to take your pliers or your fingers and just give that jump ring, that earring component, a quick pinch in the middle. Ta-da! Close your ear wire and a really sweet, sparkly dangle earring is born. Let me do it to the other side real quick. Voila! Guys, that was really fun. Super quick, easy technique. All you need to do is open and close a jump ring and get yourself a pair of these really cool kidney bean wires and some Jessie James cage beads, and you've got yourself a stellar pair of earrings to wear for a night out or any day at all. Thanks so much for tuning in. My name's Sarah James. We are JessieJamesBeads.com, and we thank you for being here.